Launched in 1992, the Young Eagles program gives interested young people ages 8 through 17 an opportunity to fly in a general aviation airplane. These flights are free of charge and are made possible through the generosity of EAA volunteer pilots. Participation is easy. Find the closest volunteer pilot to you and arrange a convenient time to go flying. Enjoy your Young Eagles flight and your first step into the exciting world of aviation. Today, I had the opportunity to take several of these kids flying. For most of them, this would be their first time to fly in a general aviation airplane. If they had a bad experience today, then they might not ever decide to go again. So, the pressure was on. I needed to make sure they have a good time today.
Testing.
I'm coming back.
You should be able to hear it in your sides of your ears.
Yes, I hear you, but
Is it too loud?
no, it's not loud, but my voice has changed.
Oh. Well, that's good.
Yeah.
Our goal today is to promote aviation to the younger generations and to hopefully give them the aviation bug, or as I like to say it, the burning desire to fly. I was fortunate enough to be able to start flying with my father at a very young age, but the majority of our youth today don't have that opportunity. The aviation industry is continually needing new pilots, and the Young Eagles program is the EAA's way of getting young people interested in becoming tomorrow's pilots. We made several flights today, each lasting for about 30 minutes. This was a very successful day. Everyone enjoyed themselves and are ready to come back next time and build on their experience. Sharing my love for aviation with all of these kids has to be one of the most rewarding things I've done. Experiencing their emotions and excitement firsthand is priceless.
You're good. Yeah, you're fine. You fly the airplane, don't let it fly you. So you want to go back this way to level again. There you go.
Thanks to EAA Chapter 983 from Pecan Plantation for sponsoring this event. I can't wait to do these again. Thank you for watching another one of our adventure videos. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and give us a like. Until next time, fly safe.